Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It looks fantastic. You do have the sport hood there with your Ram badging, as well as you have your chrome accenting on your grille there. It also comes with bifunction projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You got those heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals right there, and coming all the way around to the back here we do have a 6-foot box, as well as you do have a backup camera on this guy and dual exhaust pipes. Now to open it up, we just gotta pull it. Lots of room back here as well. 6-foot box, as I said, with the bed liner on it. It looks great, keeping it nice and safe. You also have the cover on there, keeping your stuff hidden or dry. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and then you do have your panic button up there. Now let's take a look on the inside here. On the door, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Plus, that guy does bring in your mirrors right there. Some chrome accenting on the handle here, storage here, and some more right down here. Looks great in here. They are leather trimmed seats. They feel fantastic, very comfortable. You do also have the electronic seat control here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. You also have the controls over your lights right here, so your off, your auto, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press in, you got your fog lights and in-cabin light control right there. And then up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, our high beams, and our windshield wipers are all right there. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature. We got our battery life and our oil up there. Now it does say how many kilometers we have, 55,000, not too bad at all. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, our trip A, our trip B. We have our audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel right here, we got a volume up and down button for your radio there. And then in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all on there, as well as you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, USB, or SD card. You got your controls over your mirror dimmer and all that there. Climate control here, so you can control all that stuff. You got your phone options as well if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You also have just your settings. When you are in reverse here, you do have that ever useful backup camera, and our gear shift is just right over here. You just turn it just like that. Now right here we do have the controls over our volume up and down, as well as we have our mute, screen off, hazard light, back button, and our tuner and browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, off. You also have the power here. Then you have your front and rear defrost. You have this guy here for your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Some storage in here and some storage in here with a place to put your phone. You got some cup holders there. And right here we do have a center console. Looks great. You have a USB aux cord plugins there, as well as your SD card. Then you can fold this up like that. You got lots of room in there. Then over here you do have a dual layer glove box. So you got your top layer there and your bottom layer right there. Looks great. Up top you do have a universal garage door opener, as well as this one does open up the little window in the back. Let's take a look back here. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the controls over your window, handle here, storage here, and some more down here. Looks great back here as well. It is the leather trimmed seats. You can fold this down. You got an armrest with some cup holders in it, as well as you got some additional cup holders just down there. You can fold this up, and you got some storage under here. You have the same thing on the other side, just bigger. You can also fold this down like this, and you got a flat space to put stuff on top of if you did want to. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.